Let's talk about prayer, shall we? Oh boy, I know what you're thinking. What's the local news doing talking about faith? It's personal. No, I'm not a TV preacher. I'm a TV reporter. Growing up in my house, church was a once-a-week kind of thing. Maybe religion isn't your cup of tea. Regardless of whether or not you think prayer is a private matter or not, though, it's going to be a very public debate this week. You see, the Supreme Court is taking up Monday the case of Joseph Kennedy. He's a former assistant high school football coach in Washington State who prayed for years privately, which is his right, on the 50-yard line after football games. What started out as a private act, though, some allege became a more public event, with court photos showing how players and parents in many cases would join him. The coach was fired from the school back in 2015 after school officials believed he violated long-established principles dating all the way back to the 60s, prohibiting school officials from praying publicly while they were performing their official school duties. The coach, as well as many religious organizations, disagree, and since then, they've been fighting to get to the Supreme Court to allow for post-game prayer. The reason why this case is so interesting is because the High Court is more conservative today than it has been for decades, and they're taking up more cases surrounding religion. And there's a chance they could allow more school officials, like coaches and teachers, to pray more publicly. Those individuals have always had the right to pray privately. Many civil liberty groups want schools to remain neutral when it comes to religion. After all, what if a student doesn't share the same beliefs as their teacher or coach? A recent study found 71% of the U.S. identifies with a form of Christianity, like Catholicism or being a Protestant, but 6% of the country identifies as non-Christian, including Hindus and Jewish Americans. 23% of the country, though, identifies as being non-religious. Expect a ruling from the Supreme Court sometime by midsummer, and it's possible that justices rule in a way that makes prayer a lot more prevalent in public schools by the beginning of next school year. I'm Joe St. George reporting.